Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. What if I was to tell you that this circle border was created using a font? Pretty incredible. I went to DA fonts and I just typed in binds and this one came up right here. I downloaded it. I went back to Corel and there it is. So go to dafonts.com, type in this word and get your font. And this is all the uppercase fonts and all the lowercase fonts. Most of you might be able to draw this, like that right there. But that is a letter of a font. Let's take this. I already ungrouped them. And let's change it to Comic Sans. There's the fonts. Then we go back to, I'm not going to butcher the name up. It's ornamental something. That's pretty cool. They're like, let me just get to here. Well, where's my, that is one letter of a font. That is, I think, probably B. So you can type in, I think that's capital, yes. So I'm going to type in BBB. I don't know if this is going to come out like that, and then we're going to go to here and change the font to that new font. And look at that. That would take you some time to draw. And this is really sharp vector font. So I just took the letter H and I just took it and made this pretty elaborate ring. And I'm just going to show you how I did it. So let's move this out of the center of the page. And I'm going to, not group together. And let's take this circle and hit P, put it in the center of the page. And let's type the letter H. Kind of hard to believe. Let's put it in the center of the page. And then holding down the control button, it doesn't really matter, you're going to move it anyway. Get it on top. Take that H and go back to the fonts and change it to that right there. And I picked this one because it has a leading point and a trailing point. Now it's a little bit higher than my circle, so I'm going to move it down a little bit. And then I'm going to Control D, Alternate C, and I just rotated it about where I thought it should meet. And I'm at 531, so 5 will work. And it looks good, they're separated. Now this would be a very good one to use the transformation docker instead of, so I'm going to make sure there's just one of these. I'm going to hit Alternate C. I'm going to go to Windows Docker's transformation or transform, depending on what version. I'm going to go 5 degrees. We need 72, but I'm only going to type in 71 because we already have one. And look at that. And then we can take our, we're not text to path. You know what? I'm going to try text to path next. That is pretty cool. And you could, there's like this box. These are all different letters. The corner's an E. That corner's a F or I. This centerpiece, which has just this, and then this one is the one I used, and that's the opposite of the one I used. Most of us could probably draw that, but look at this right here. It's incredible. So go to DA Fonts. It's a free download. And I do contribute to the author sometimes. And I think I am for this person because I'm going to use this a lot. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.